So we have two incredible jewelers. All of our jewelry repair is done here on site, and I think there's a lot of value that people want to know when they leave. They're leaving their expensive piece or their sentimental piece. They want to know that it stays within these four walls. So everything does stay here. Our jewelers are certified, they're trained, they're professionals. They've been doing this for years and years, and they're really, really good at what they do. They're artists. So that's something that we take a lot of pride in. And actually, in addition to having two jewelers here, every piece of jewelry that leaves our store, actually whether it goes out on the showroom floor for sale or goes into our repair shop, we actually have a quality control department that actually checks and scans over every piece to make sure that we sized it correctly, that there's no stones that are loose, that the diamonds are set level. So we take repairs and quality control really serious here at Mitchum Jewelers.